Salam to all. Let's start with the dollar against Turkish lira as we always do. Last week it went up as we expected. This week its stochastic is still high and looks like it shall any minute make the formation about correction, so be careful. Above 1822 it may break 1830, 1835 to try our first famous target at 1964 and might start the correction before heading back to our second famous target at 2697. The question is, what will the buyers at 1780 tell us as for how long the correction shall last? Now euro against the dollar. Last week we were expecting a decline to 0.9886, 0.9860, and last week's low was at 0.9864. There's one important signal. I'll try to explain it as per Mr. Sinan Bora's request of me describing such technical information. The last 3 weeks candlestick formation is called morning star doji, which is last week was rise, previous week was doji, which means opening and closings are the same. The prior week was decline. So this is a sign for reversal. By the way, please don't get me wrong, not a reversal of the last week's rise, but the reversal of the decline that has been going on recently. So a rise this week shall be expected, and its stochastic also supports this increase. Above 1, it shall break 1.0080, 1.0113 range, and then visit the sellers at 1.0257. Here's the question, will the sellers pressure it to go back or not? As for gold, last week we were expecting it to visit 1698, 1685, and last week's low was at 1691, and then it spiked up. This week, if it trades below 1712, it shall break 1696, 1693 to try 1677 for the third time. If the buyers here were to be enough turning the direction one more time, it shall gain strong power. All eyes on to be at 1677. Time for cryptos. Let's start with Bitcoin. Last week below 19,400 we were expecting a decline to 18,500, 18,000, and last week's low was at 18,550, and then it spiked up. This week its stochastic is low but not yet confirming the increase, so be careful. If it is above 21,700 it may try 22,430, 23,700. Here the sellers may turn it back towards the last Fibonacci retracement at 15,000. Resistance is at 24,800, 25,110 range. At last, Ether. Last week we were expecting a decline to 1,425, and last week's low was at 1,490. Then it spiked up. This week, if it is above 1,700, 1,720, it shall break 1,785. Then try 1,810, 1,870. Here the sellers may turn it back towards the last Fibonacci retracement at 1,050. By the way, there was a technical problem I noticed, so I updated the last Fibonacci retracement. Thanks for watching. Please share your comments, and let's watch the premiere on Sunday at midnight all together. Please also don't forget to subscribe, like, and set the reminder. Bye.